Hey guys, it's Miss Savannah again. We are going to be talking about volume using our formula, which is length times width times height. So if we look on step 1 right here, let me get my pen. So in step 1, we need to identify the length, width, and height of the rectangular prism. So we have the length, the width, and the height. So we can go ahead and circle those. I'm on page 687 if you want to follow along. So my length we said was 7, my width is 5, and my height is 3. So in step 2, they say multiply the length by the width. So that's what we've been doing. We just write it out like this: 7 times 5 times 3. So first they want you to multiply the length by the width. So 7 times 5 would give you 35. And then you want to multiply that by 3. So we can set that up over here to find out what 35 times 3 is. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So 35 times 3 would be 105. So that would be our total. So our volume is 105 cubic inches because we're measuring in inches. Okay, let's go down. So on these problems today, they look a little bit different than our problems yesterday because you can't see the cubic units, those little cubes. You can't see all the little cubic units within the rectangular prism, but they are there. So instead, we just have measurements, and that's all we really need to find volume. So I'm going to write my equation: length times width times height. Got my here, and like I said, it doesn't matter what order they're in. So we have 2 times 4 times 5. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. So our volume would be 40. Cubic unit is feet. So CU and then FT for feet. All right, if we look at number 2, length times width times height. I'm going to circle my 3 measurements. Length, we're going to say 4 times 4 times 9. So 4 times 4 gives me 16. 16 times 9, we can solve it over here. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 5 is 4. So 16 times 9 is 144. Cubic unit is centimeters. All right, so for today's problems, you're just still using your equation of length times width times height. So the sheet that you're doing today, let's just look over it. You'll just set these up, and then you have 2 word problems that you will do, actually 3 word problems that you would do, and you just need to look at your 3 numbers. The hole will be 12 yards long, that's your length, 7 yards wide, that's your width, and 3 yards deep, which is your height. So you'll just take 12 times 7 times 3 to get your volume. Okay, thank you guys so much. Please let us know if you have any questions. Bye. Bye.